In today's class, we'll discuss about the list tag. Okay, list is nothing but a collection of items or elements. Okay, there are two types of list. One is ordered list, another one is unordered list. Okay, the unordered list is useful for simply listing the items, but if you want items in some specific or sequence, means in an alphabetical order or in a numerical order, then the ordered list are used. Okay, let's discuss how to use these types of list in an HTML document. So unordered list means a UL tag is used. For ordered list, OL tag is used. Okay, so first let's see an unordered list. So this is an example for the unordered list, that is HTML document unordered list demo.html. So we have to mention the document type, HTML tag, head tag. Within the head tag we give the some title. So it is not mandatory to give the title. Okay, if you want you can give the title. Use of unordered list. Then close the head tag and the body tag. Open the body tag. Within the body tag, what are the information needed to display, that will be provided within a body tag. So in the body tag we are displaying one heading, that is all about computer. Then following are the some popular operating system used in computer. So we use the UL type is equal to disk. This type is equal to disk means it is in disk bullets. It displays in bullets, disk type bullets. Okay, then UL means unordered list, type is equal to disk means for this LI first DOS disk like bulleting will be displayed, then like this bulleting. So .DOS, then Windows. Okay, like that the disk like bullets will be displayed. Okay, so next, so in the UL tag we are giving the list, that is LI means list tag. So within the list tag we are giving the what DOS, Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows Professional, Windows Vista, Unix. So we give some list. This is an unordered list. Okay, we displaying in a what, not in a particular order. And then we are closing the what, UL tag. So next is following are the some of the core subjects of computer science. Then open the UL tag. Then type is equal to circle means circles bulletin. Circle bullets will be displayed for this circle bullets. From operating system, computer network, database management system, that will like that. Okay, next you see. Next list, within that what, web programming, software engineering are given. These are some what, core subjects list. Then close the UL tag. Next we are displaying the one more list, that is following are some of the popular web browsers. Okay, then UL, that is UL means unordered list, then type is equal to square. Square means square like bullets will be displayed for this list, that is for Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Netscape Navigator, like that. Then close the UL tag, close the body tag and close the HTML tag. Okay, so let's see the output of this what, program. This is the output. So you can see, first we give all about computer, then following are the some of the popular operating system, and we given, you can see here. So we given disk. This is disk like bullets. These are the disk like bullets. Okay, in the bulletins. Okay, type is equal to disk. Then DOS, Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows Professional, Windows Vista. This list is operating system list is displayed. Next, following in the next list we given following are some of the core subjects of the computer science. For that what we given, circle. Oh no, the circle type is equal to circle. No, circled bullets is displaying here. These are the circled bullets. Okay, this is what list of core subjects. So in the next list we are given that, so web browsers, popular web browser, for that we given the type as circular, no. So these are the circular bulletins, sorry, not circular, what, square bullets are displayed for this, that is Internet Explorer, Mozilla, then Netscape Navigator. This is an what, unordered list. You can see the explanation for this program. In the above script we have used the tag UL for specifying the unordered list. The list items can be mentioned using the list tag, li tag. Okay, due to which the list item can appear in a bulleted form. So due to which list item can be appear in a bulleted form. Then the styles of the bullets can be given below. So these are the bullets used. Okay, so UL means beginning and end of the bulleted list. So beginning and end of the bulleted list. Bulleted list means we are not giving any order, no. So that content is displayed with the bullets. Okay. So list li means displays the bulleted text on a separate line. Then UL type is equal to circle means display the circular bullets. Then UL type is equal to disc means display the solid round bullets. Then UL type is equal to square means display the squared bullets. Okay. Then next see unordered list. The ordered list is a list of items which must follow some specific sequence. Means it must follow some specific order, like alphabetical order or what, numbered, like that. Okay, we can number the text using OL tag. So following the table shows the various styles by which the list can be numbered. Means we given 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, no, or A, B, C, D like that, or we can give the Roman numbers, that is 1, 2, 3 like that, or small Roman means 1, 2, 3 like that, no. This is ordered list. So we can give these styles using these tags. Okay, that is ordered list tag, that is OL and OL end, OL beginning tag and OL end tag, beginning and end of the numbered list. So that one is order. So unordered list means bulleted list. This is OL tag means or numbered list. Then LI tag displays the numbered text on a separate line. Then OL type is equal to A. A means type is equal to A means like this, A dot B dot C dot like this, displays the list in the following manner, A dot B dot C. Then OL type is equal to means this is small Roman numbers, that is 1 means 1, 2, 3 like that it will display. We just specify starting letters or starting number have to given in a what type, then remaining it will take automatically. Okay, then OL type is equal to capital I, that is capital 1 means Roman number. So if you give that like means it will display like this 1, 2, 3. Okay, in that will give the type as a disc, circle, square means that is bulleted list. Here we giving the what, the some numbered or alphabetical order. We can give the type is equal to 1, type is equal to here cap means number 1 means, so it will display 1 dot 2 dot 3 dot like that. Okay, you can see here type is equal to 1. So if you give type means it will consider next number automatically, that is 1, 2, 3 like that. If you give for example OL type is equal to 5 means it will start from 5. Okay, 5 dot 6 dot 7 dot like that. Okay, this is ordered list. Okay, let's see the example of the ordered list program, that is HTML document types, mention the document type, HTML tag, header tag. Within the head tag we give the title, that is ordered list demo. So next, then close the header tag, open the body tag. So within the body tag we are displaying the ordered list. Okay, this is a typical list, that is this H4 means heading tag. Okay, so okay, you can see here OL type is equal to A, then first, second, third and the fourth. You can see the output here itself. You can see the output. This is a typical list. Then we given the type is equal to A, no? So A dot first, B dot second, C dot third, D dot fourth, E dot and so on. This list is displayed. Okay, next we close the OL tag. OL means ordered list. Okay, then next list, this is an starting from this the list is starting from 5. Okay, then OL start is equal to 5. Here given OL start is equal to 5, then ice cream, mango, juice, popcorn, like that list will be given. You can see the output here. Okay, this list is starting from 5, then 5, from the 5 it is started, 5, 6, 5 dot ice cream, 6 dot mango, 7 dot juice, like that the list will be displayed. This is an ordered list. In unordered list, bullets will be displayed. In an ordered list, whatever the order we given, no alphabetical or numeric or Roman, that order will be displayed. Okay, so we have then close the body tag and close the body tag HTML tag. So we can have the nested ordered list. Here is an example ordered list. So means for example, nested order means in the first some heading we have, that is operating system. Okay, operating systems. Okay, within that a small Roman used, that is Windows, then 2 Linux,